YouTube is giving away $100 million, and I'm here to show you how to get a big part of it. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make money with YouTube Short along with Instagram. Alright, so before we go into the video, please subscribe with the notification bell on so we can grow. Alright, so what I want you to do for me now, no waste of time, go to Instagram. Alright, I already find a video here for you. You don't have to use cat videos, you can use meditation, you can use how to make money online. It doesn't matter. Just pick your niche, find a video, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here where you see the three dots. Alright, then you're gonna press copy link. Alright, please follow me, don't skip the video or else you won't get what I'm teaching you here. And if you stay, I'm gonna be giving you a bonus how you can make money otherwise from the YouTube short. Alright, so this video is a short package, but it contains a whole lot. Alright, so what I want you to do now is come to this website called Instagram Video Downloader. Alright, so right here you're gonna paste the link you just copied from Instagram. You're gonna click download. Alright, after you click download, the video will come up showing you here download MP4. Alright, after you press download, the video will be downloaded to your computer, right? So after the video is downloaded to your computer, I want you to come here to this website called Canva. Alright, Canva is a free website. You don't have to pay to use Canva. Alright, you can sign up and have your own profile. You don't have to sign up. It's very easy to use. After you come to Canva, what I want you to do is go on your story. Alright, when you go on your story, the video you downloaded from Instagram, I want you to put it here. You're gonna add the video so it fills up this box here. Alright, so you go like that, and that's the same size of what YouTube shorts are. Alright, if the video is over a minute long, you're gonna cut the video to 59 seconds. Alright, or if the video makes sense, for instance 20 seconds, even 15 seconds, you cut it right there. Alright, and what I want you to do also, you're gonna add a call to action. Alright, so you're gonna press text. You're gonna find a nice text, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna add it to your video. So you're gonna put the text right here. You're gonna add something like, click the link in my description. Alright, persons will be clicking the link because that will be driving them to. So after you do that, alright, you cut the video to 59 seconds, 25 seconds, wherever it makes sense, and you have the same ratio here, and you add your call to action. What you're gonna do, you're gonna upload your video to YouTube. Alright, you're gonna upload your video to YouTube with a searchable title, so your video will be easy to find. Alright, so you're gonna upload the video to YouTube, and in your description you're gonna add a special link that will be earning you a lot of money. So this is simple and easy, and I'm asking you please to subscribe. I'm gonna take you to the website where it's gonna earn you a lot of money right now. Alright, and all I'm asking is for you to subscribe so YouTube can get the algorithm and share my video to a lot more persons. Alright, so you're gonna come to this website called Digistore24. Alright, when you go to Digistore24, I want you to go on animals and pet. All right, you can search for all sorts of different product, but right here I found a product that they are showing you that with this online product, because it's not physical, you can teach your cat how to behave. All right, so this product, they're telling you that you can go ahead and teach your cat all the training that a cat should get, and it will be easy. All right, so you're gonna press here promote. When you press promote, they're gonna generate a link for you. With that link, you're gonna take it to a website called Bentley. Bentley is a link shortening website where you're gonna bring that link to Bentley. You're gonna paste the link here. You're gonna press short. All right, because the link will be long, and for some reason most persons don't like long links. So Bentley will give you a nice shortened link. All right, so let me show you. For example, you click there, you're gonna get a nice shortened link like that, and you're gonna press copy. When you press copy, the video that you uploaded to YouTube, in the description you're gonna add that link saying, hey, this is the best product to teach your cat, or this is the best online product to teach your cat to behave whatsoever. Give it some spicy, catchy thing that persons will want. All right, you put that in your description, persons click the link and they purchase, and it will be earning you 50% commission, as you can see here. All right, so 50% commission, and that's very nice because you won't be doing anything. You're not making these videos for yourself. All you're doing, you're getting them from Instagram and you're uploading them back to YouTube, and it's earning you a lot of money. All right, and I'm also gonna give you an autopilot method how you can do this without you lifting a finger. All right, so please remember to subscribe, and here we go. You're gonna come to this website called Fiverr. All right, Fiverr is a website where you can find freelancer to do anything for you. So you come here, you find a freelancer that is affordable for you and that can also carry out the service that you want. All right, so this website is completely safe. You got nothing to worry about. You can find persons starting from $5. All right, literally $5, and they will do everything I just explained to you in the video. So if you can't do this for yourself, come to Fiverr and pay someone to do it for you, and you will be making a lot of money from YouTube short along with Instagram. All right, so please remember to subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about this video, and please go ahead and try. Don't just watch and don't carry out. Please try, and thank you all for subscribing, and yeah, we're out.